Normally, in a steel production factory, you need to take extra safety precautions. But these workers were just trying to lower a steel plate using the Packman lifter incorrectly. They should have adjusted the plate's position according to the lowering direction. Still, they got lucky this time. CNC machines are often used in metal, defense, automotive, and aviation industries, and their glass is known to be super strong. But this worker wasn't so lucky. Whether it was bad luck or a replaced glass, a small internal blast caused a head injury. Really unlucky. Marble might not be as heavy as steel, but it's still seriously heavy. Normally, it should never be handled without a crane or proper lifting equipment. But it looks like these workers didn't have much of a choice. This really shows how little the employer values their workers and how poorly their rights are protected. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.